Hello everyone, it's Paul here from Money Tips blog. Just wanted to do a quick video today to explain a little bit about how Quidco works and why you should use it. If you're not familiar with Quidco, Quidco is a cashback website, and cashback websites are probably the easiest way to make money online because you can do it in minutes and there's no special sort of skills required. So as you can see, today I've made almost £1,000 using Quidco. And although that is over a number of years, I'm pretty happy with that. So in a moment, I'm going to show you how you can make your first £20 using Quidco. But before we dive in, I should probably explain how cashback websites make their money. So the way that Quidco works is they refer their customers to retailers. And when they do that, they receive a commission. And they share that commission. In fact, they give the majority of it to you. So the best thing for me to do now is to show you an example of what I mean. And here we have a company called Football Index. And Football Index are a sort of investment/gambling website. Now, like all gambling websites, Football Index are looking to acquire new users. They want more people to sign up. And here we see that they are offering a generous £30 cashback if I sign up for the first time to their website, and all I have to do is sign up and wager £10. So we see there that we would make a £20 profit if we do that, which is pretty tasty. So all I've got to do to get the ball rolling here is to click this Get Cashback button, which will of course take me to the Football Index website. And of course, both Quidco and Football Index need a means of being able to track that I have come from Quidco, and therefore Quidco should receive the commission and give me my part of that commission. And technically speaking, the way that tracking is done is something called a cookie, which you may have heard of. A cookie is lodged in my web browser, and that is the means through which now, if I do go on to register for Football Index, that Quidco will be notified. So I'm going to go ahead now and register for Football Index. I'm not going to record this part because obviously I'm going to be sharing some personal data as I register. It shouldn't take more than a minute or so. So I've just registered. It literally took about 1 minute. And now, of course, the next step is for me to deposit £10. That's the deal here. You have to deposit and wager £10 to be able to get the £30 cash back. So you can do that over here. Again, I'm not going to record my screen because I'm obviously going to be putting in payment details, but I'll start it again straight after. So that's now done. As you can see, my balance is now £10, which means I'm on to the final step, which is just to wager that £10. And as I mentioned earlier, the Football Index is sort of half investment company, half gambling company. And they say that you can invest in football players. And I think, to be honest, it's such a risky way of investing that I'm glad that Quidco class it as gambling. But anyway, I have decided I want to invest in this player, Daniel James, that plays for Manchester United. He sells for £2.77 a share apparently, and so I believe I can get 3 shares with my £10 there. So there I go. I'm going to buy 3 shares of Daniel James. Very strange concept, and I'm done. So if we just briefly go back to Quidco and look at the offer, these points here on the left hand side are quite important. So it can actually take up to 24 hours for the tracking to be confirmed in Quidco, is the first thing to take note of. And the second thing is that even once it's tracked, you're not going to get paid straight away. That's because it actually takes Quidco a little while to get paid, and of course they're not going to pay you until they've been paid themselves. So what we can do, however, is see whether the tracking has already been successful. So if we go into activity, and here we can see that it has successfully tracked, which is great news. The only thing that's slightly strange is that it's currently tracking for £0. Now I'm confident that will update to reflect the accurate amount of £30 within the next 24 hours or so. If for whatever reason it doesn't, I can always raise a claim. But in my experience, having used Quidco now for a number of years, I think only once I've ever had an issue with a deal not actually tracking successfully. Okay, then that is everything. So I expect to be paid by Quidco in around 3 weeks' time, and when I do, I will post an update on my blog. If you've not visited before, head on over to moneytipsblog.co.uk. Plenty of money-saving tips on there for you. Let me know how you get on with this. Register for Quidco. Let me know if you've got any questions. Subscribe to the channel and let me know how you get on. Cheers, guys.
You know, we're in a cyber world. This is now a cyber world.